it is me, Tyler. Today we're going to be unboxing a Bakugan Battle Planet Battle Brawlers card set, well, card collection. This was only surprisingly $6, which if you go to like if you go to like one of these Pokemon sort of things, and like these sorts which are bigger, are normally like $16 or something, man. But we're gonna unbox this. Let's roll the intro. Right, so now let's open this. I might do another unboxing of one of these tomorrow. So yeah, we want to be careful because I've never actually seen Bakugan cards before. But let me just get this front. This is getting kind of hard to open. Let me just try and attempt to open it again. Got it. So this is what it looks like. It's cool because it has a huge logo of Bakugan on the back and has the elements in it. But let's actually fully open it now. Let's see. Alright, this is what it looks like in the inside. So you can see it comes with some free card packs, a huge card, and I'm pretty sure, what are they called again? Baku cores, because I don't watch your show. Well, let's pick them up. Let me just try and show you what it looks like. It just has like the Bakugan Battle Planet Battle Brawlers 10 Bakugan cards and like a picture of like one of these things, whatever you call it. Like it's this like dragon thing. You know, I'll open my curtains for you. Alright, well I'm not gonna explain just what happened, but I think you guys can see it's like this reddish dragon sort of thing. But let's get to opening this card pack. Also on the back it says you can download the app. It's like this sort of app, Bakugan Battle Planet app. You can get it on Google Play and download it on the App Store. Well, let's get to it. These are really easy to open, definitely. Hold on, let me just get this open. I'm quite dumb because they have these little things that you can open. Alright. Let's just hope. Alright. Alright, let's go with the first card. The first card is Liquid Strike. Just think again. Venom Blast. Tidal Wave. Toxify. Turn to Energy. Hyper Pegatrix. Just a normal. There's Pegatrix. There's a Shadow Breath. There's a Toxify. Like a shiny Toxify, which is like, I guess you could say, you can see a little bit of it, like it's that. And then there's also the Shadow Breath, which is kind of, like, you know, a little bit shiny. You probably can't see that, but I'll add in like later in the video, well, later in the editing, I'll add pictures of the cards. But let's just get to the second card pack. Well, I also can't forget to take out like the Bucky cords. Jesus. So it's like this fist. You probably can't see it, as I said. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take like pictures of it. So there's next pack is this blue sort of thing. Alright. Well, let's just open this pod. Oh, whoops. Let's just get it out there. Alright, and also I'll be taking pictures of what the packets look like. So yeah, let's get to the first card. So first card is Umbral Stash, which is like a shiny card. There's C, which is a character, like C, whatever you can see. Is corrupting mist, whirlpool, think again. There's some really weird card names. Fierce boost, Pyro strike, paralyzing potion, liquid strike, and an inspire. So we've got some cool cards there. And there's also another one of those things that they come with, like 650. It has that on the back, but yeah, let's get to the next pack, which should be the last one, and there's also something else in it. Okay, so I just took this card out of the packet, and then I just see that it says this trading game rulebook. I normally just collect them. I normally don't do battles like with Pokemon cards or whatever, those sort of stuff. So yeah, here's another well, this is a purple dragon, but let me open this. Alright, so I just got these open. First one, Repel Destruction, a Inferno Wings, Hyper Mantanoid Ultra, Titan Dragonoid, Seas Ventus, I can't say that properly, Fireball, Fire Vortex, Repel Ventus, Sonic Howl, and another of those Seas things. Now there's one more thing in the packet, which is actually a big card, which I kind of think they stole us off Pokemon, but this is pretty cool, which is obviously called the Dragonoid Ultra. So that's pretty cool. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, and also, as I said, I'm going to put all the stuff I said earlier in it. I'll show all the cards just in case you didn't see. But I hope you enjoyed. I got a new outro, so you're going to see it after I show all the cards. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye!
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Big head on the
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spend 3 racks on your chain. My villa do cocaine. Oh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot her name. Can't buy a bitch, no wedding ring. Rather go and buy Balmains. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spend 3 racks on your chain. My villa do cocaine. Oh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot her name. Can't Put some red bottom sauce allergies. Fuck your airline, fuck your company.
Listen close, what is this? Is it heartbreak? Is it truly what it feels like? What it felt like? What it's truly at the essence? Shark teeth in the chest, cancel all in the press of the beat and the bruise. Feeling like a pawn to the greed of these fools, but I never been a piece of the evil in the womb of these fake. This what they mask, I presume. I'll be telling if I got a load, I swear I resume.